Tax policy is essentially the ability of a government to create laws that incentivize individuals to behave in a way that is beneficial to the government, basically to get them to do what they want them to do. An example of this since time is to create a tax code that incentivizes two things: job creation and housing. The government has two problems that it struggles to do. The first is housing its population. The second is creating jobs for its population. And as a result, they wrote the tax code very, very meticulously, very attentively, and said, we're going to create two tax incentives. And whoever is able to meet our demand and meet our requirements of what we need, we are going to give them tax cuts. So in came the first section, or the first general area, which was the fact that if you are able to create businesses that are successful and create jobs for individuals, we're going to give you tax deductions. That's how tax write-offs came into play, where you're able to earn a lot of income, but you don't pay a lot of tax because you're able to use tax deductions to offset that income. The second broad section, after they realize, hey, now we're able to have jobs for our population because we have this tax policy in place, they decided to add another section where they're like, hey, we still have a housing issue. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this tax policy where if you are able to provide housing, and the act of providing housing is renting your home. So you have a homeowner, a landlord who's renting. If you are able to do this at scale for us being the government, we are going to give you the ability to leverage depreciation. Why did I say it that way? Depreciation. And what depreciation will do is it allows a lot of landlords to earn income while showing paper losses. You are able to depreciate certain parts of your home, excluding land, in a way that it offsets your income. Sometimes it can be active income, depending on if you materially participate in the real estate development. That's why you see a lot of landlords, especially married couples, where one of them has the real estate professional status, be able to pretty much show paper losses every single year while earning millions. That's it. That's tax policy in a nutshell, and its impacts and its effects. And now I'm going to go back to jamming to some more J. Cole.